Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we are going to be doing a video on how to not manually, move your mirrors, your driver's side rear view mirrors, your passenger side rear view mirrors. So basically, if you guys, this is what the power mirrors are, and this is the switch for the power mirrors. L stands for left, R stands for right, and essentially if you guys have it, if this is even keeled, it means that it's neutral. So this you gotta press it to the left, and then you move your mirrors. You're looking at your mirrors while you're pressing these buttons. Now I already have my mirrors set, so I'm not actually gonna do it right now, but once you get it to the right angle and you have a lot of movements on which way the mirrors go, left, right, up, bottom, etc., and then you're gonna do it for the right side. And then after you're done, you can either leave it like this, or a lot of people might press these buttons with their knee, but leave it there, and that actually puts it on off for any controls, any ability to control this. And that's the video, guys. That's the video. If you guys have any questions in the comments, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Right, guys, take care.